case you're going to feed animals, someone was asking, how do I, after 21 days, okay, you scoop what is enough. If you have 2 cows, those are 30 kilograms. So you remove 30 kilograms. How do you know a basin takes 10 kilograms? So those are 3 basins. So this one takes 500, half a ton. Okay.
You must not like own it. You can still hire and then you assign. When it comes to making silage, there are very many ways of making silage. One of the ways is this one that we use. Silage bag is very good for someone who is a beginner, who do not know anything. In case of any mistake, if you are to lose, you can only lose this. But if you have made a silage pit, you can lose like 30 tons once. So for a beginner, I would advise everybody who is beginning, you have never made. So we have a bracharia that does very well for free range. If someone wants for free range, I want to put it in paddocks, there is a variety of bracharia, that mulatto. I mean, this is bracharia basilisk. Bracharia has got very many varieties. There are some that does very well in areas that has water. Then there are those that do very well in making silage. Most people have a belief that if I don't own square miles, then I can't have own animals like cows and everything. That's not possible. Or they call it Mombasa grass. It is very good for, you can still feed it fresh. It can make silage.
Hey, you enter. You enter.
No. Kubanga olaba ffe tetulina budde bungi. Awakadi norori ni ffe ng'abasirikale gwa kukuuma eggwanga n'ebintu byabwe n'abantu n'ebintu byabwe. So tetulina budde bw'okubeera n'ente okubeera ng'olonda ente all the time. Kati wetire awo oyinza okufuna ogula akate ka very little money nga 500,000 n'okalisizawo kumpimpi. Olimako omuddo guliwo omulala tusaawa ne slashers siba ne slasher tuba tetugusuula si kyekyo naye kakati tulabye guno gwosaawa gulimu ate n'ebirime bingi so kituyamba ku budde oleka ng'ogiwadde n'okomawo in the evening n'ogiwa n'amazzi nga kiwedde after 3 months n'ogitunda nga 1.5 after like a year oyinza ogijjamu 1 million 1.2 or 1.5 yes.
Okay.
Ffe twakitandikako naye kati tuze kwongerako kubanga waffe kyetuyize number 1 tuyize pasture establishment engeri kijosobola okulimamu omuddo tulabe types nyingi y'omuddo ogw'amaanyi ogwa carbohydrates and proteins to improve the animals that we have. Ekirala tuyize okukola hay not preserving that hay into silage just kubeera nayo for even 3 years.
Olowooza kino kisobola okuyamba?
I will prepare my gardens and I intercrop. I get the seeds of this Taurus Guyana mixed together with Centrosima or the other green leaf. I mix them and then intercrop. When it comes to harvesting, I'll be very sure that I'm having my carbohydrates and then I'm having my proteins together. Usually that works for a person who does not have enough sugars that can be enough for fermentation. So here we did not put anything. As long as you have planted your maize and it is for silage making, you do not remove anything. Plant it after it has put seeds, and those seeds have got to the hard stage. They have begun to harden. There you harvest. Plantations, tree plantations, you can plant it under the trees and it does very well. Still, I wanted to harvest, you harvest from down. All these pastures, they are harvested the same way, from down, so that